Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device time and time zone are accurate and internet is stable, because authentication tokens depend on that. Once done, close all Gmail tabs and sign out of Google across browsers and devices to invalidate stale sessions. Next, clear cookies and site data for mail. Google.com, this removes corrupted session tokens. If you're on mobile, force stop the Gmail app and clear its cache. Make sure your browser or app is updated before proceeding. Now re-authenticate. Open a single browser window and navigate to accounts. Google.com to sign in fresh. This generates a new OAuth token. If you use two-step verification, complete the second factor, authenticator codes or backup codes to ensure a full session refresh. For app-specific issues, create or use an app password instead of your main password. If stale tokens still occur, go to Security Third-Party Apps and revoke access. Then re-grant it so Google issues new credentials tied to your session. To finish, verify Gmail loads and stays signed in by testing in an incognito window and another updated browser. This isolates profile corruption. Make sure you review recent account activity and connected devices under security. Sign out any unknown sessions to prevent conflicts. If the session expired error continues, create a new browser profile or reinstall the Gmail app to remove lingering configuration issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If removing cookies didn't help,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.